How to check SSD performance on Windows 11. Hello and welcome back to DigiLive Trends. In this video I'm going to show you how to check SSD performance on Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here guys, and without further ado let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So checking SSD performance on Windows 11, left click on Start menu icon, and click on Settings. In Settings window on the left hand side you have to click on System. Now, in System window, click on Storage. Then click on Advanced Storage Settings. New drop-down menu will appear. Click on Disks and Volumes. Here, you can see the SSD option. In front of that is the Properties button. Click on it to see the properties of your SSD. Now, your SSD performance and properties will appear. Here you can click on Advanced Disk Properties. Now in SSD Properties, your all SSD properties and performance appear. This is the easiest method to check SSD performance on Windows 11. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please hit like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you soon in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.